Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So today we are going to be checking out some haircut transformations. We start off with this gorgeous first one. She has this beautiful wavy textured hair here. The stylist is cutting the hair into a bob, mixing in some layers to frame out the bob. Her natural texture is just absolutely gorgeous. So I was waiting to see if he was going to actually play around with her natural texture and leave the curl in its natural curly state, and he did. The bob looked absolutely beautiful. Next up, we move into someone who has this beautiful copper colored hair. She might get a color refresh here, and you can tell her hair is on the thinner side. She's got some thinning edges. It's kind of thin overall. And if you go to a good stylist and your hair is on the thinner side, they will do a good job of helping the hair to appear thicker with a shorter cut, which is exactly what the stylist is doing. He did a nice refresh on that color, added in some swoop bangs to frame out the thinning areas. And she had a cute bob haircut. Very nice. I love this color. Perfect for the fall. So next up we have another cut refresh. So the stylist is kind of doing like a pixie bob haircut here. I feel like she has a bone structure to be able to completely do a pixie cut, but this pixie bob is stunning. This is a very structured asymmetrical shape that you see here, very 90s-esque. So cute. Longer in the front, shorter in the back. Next up, we have a color transformation. So it looks like she went shorter and got more of that platinum hue. The color refresh. And we're seeing a lot of platinum, silver tones for the fall season. They are pretty much everywhere. Definitely have managed to make a comeback this season. So here we have another cut refresh. Now she has kind of like a choppy style pixie cut. This is more on the longer side as well. Definitely a lot of texture here. Almost like a mullet style. Yeah, you can see the hair is a little bit longer in the back, definitely giving like a baby mullet look. Definitely something different. So next up we have another cut refresh. Now she has the platinum white hair here. Stylist does some cutting. So she also gets a nice pixie bob cut here, shorter in the back, longer in the front. Oh, look how perfectly this frames her face. So gorgeous with the color and everything. Beautifully done. Very nice. So here we have someone else with some salt and pepper hair. She has some really thick hair too. Gorgeous head full of hair. Stylist, it looks like he's doing a cut refresh here. Ooh, beautiful pixie. I love the way that her grays look within this cut. She has such a beautiful head of hair. And this also has that messy texture to it because of how thick her hair is and the way that he cut it. She can have a lot of fun with her strands with this cut. Next up, we have another haircut transformation. So he goes much shorter with this one. Looks like she's also getting a pixie bob. Ooh, very nice. Wow, look at the feathered effect that this has. So pretty. And it frames her face perfectly. Alright, you guys, I hope you were able to find some hair inspiration within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.